Welcome, welcome, welcome. So today we have some new Born Pretty. I want to say thank you to Born Pretty for sending me out these gel polishes, and super excited to get into these. So I want to tell you, if you haven't already subscribed, I hope you do. And I want to say how much I appreciate each and every one of you that come back time and time again to watch my videos. And for those of you that are new, I hope you subscribe and stick around for plenty more fun content. So yes, Born Pretty, I'll shine on me. And it has your standard how to get prep your nails, how to do the polishing, how to apply magnetic nail polish, and finally how to remove it when you're ready. And it also has some other kindly reminders, how to make long-lasting nail results. So make sure to always check out your instructions before you use any kind of nail product. Even if you've already used it before, check it out again, because sometimes we forget the little details. So let's go ahead and pop these out and see what we have. Okay, the first one was a milky white. My camera doesn't want to focus today. Maybe it's this background. Flip it over and see. There we go. BPFBS01 and a jelly white. And then we have BPFS02. And then we have BPFS03. And BPFBS04. BPFS05. And finally, BPFBS06. I don't know why this camera's not focusing today. Maybe it's having one of those off days. Well, we'll go with it and see what we can do. So we are going to swatch all these beautiful colors so you can see what they look like. And I will be back in another video to do an actual nail set with them. So I hope you bear with me and come back for the second half when I'm ready to post it. Okay, I'm back. I think I have my camera issue fixed. So let's see. Yep, that was what it was. I had an extra light on and my camera just didn't like it and didn't want to focus. So let's go ahead and do these in order. So we will start with the Jelly White, which is from the Silky White series. And y'all, I've never had a Jelly White before, so I am super stoked about this. And I do already have a base coat on here. So we can just not do that part. So I'm going to do two layers. So, of course, you know, I do the one layer up top so that you can compare what it looks like between one coat and two coats when we're all finished. And look at that. Look how pretty that is. So we'll get that to curing. And then we'll go with BPFBS01. And y'all, I think these are reflective. So I hope so, because I love reflectives. It's like a purple. Well, it's definitely a purple. You know, I like these light colors because these are going to be beautiful for spring and summer. They are a little bit gritty, but that's to be expected with reflective polishes. Okay, that's BP01. And FBSO2. Ooh, and this is a purpley pink. It looks like it might have some color shift in it too. So, very, very pretty. I'm hoping the camera catches how pretty this is, because y'all, wow. I don't have many reflective polishes. I think I only have like one or two, so I'm really excited for some reflective polishes. Can you see that color shift? Okay, now we have BPFBSO3. And I think this one is silver. It looks like it. And y'all, these look like they've got hollow in them. I believe they definitely have some hollow in them. Not a huge amount, but just a touch of hollow. Just enough to make it interesting. Can you see that hollow in it? Just a tiny bit. Just when you look at it just the right way. Okay, and this is FBSO4. And here's the other ones that are cured already. And it is gorgeous. I think it's a red or a pink. Hard to tell. I think this is pink. I'm not sure. You know, these are just very light, subtle colors. So, if you want the color to really stand out, you can either put it on a white background or a black background. I think that would be really, really pretty. Okay, now we have BPFBSO5. Y'all, I don't know what's up with this camera. It doesn't like me today, apparently. Okay, so this is kind of a goldy brown, which is interesting because I don't think I've ever seen a reflective that was like a brown color. Not saying there aren't out there, but I just haven't seen them. And for you brown lovers, you're going to love this one. It's a very light, subtle, and I know there are a couple of you out there that love brown. And then we have BPFBSO6, and this is like I don't know, it's like a red and silver. Yep, definitely red with silver. It's very subtle, it's not blaring red. So if you like red and you're not real sure you want to wear a bright red, this would be a great alternative. And let me get these cured and we'll be right back to do a second coat. Okay, we're all cured now with one coat, and 1 and 2 I am definitely seeing a color shift, like a chameleon color shift, that the rest don't seem to have. But you can definitely see that reflective. Beautiful. So let's do another coat. This is a second coat. And of course this is the jelly white. And I will have to look up the opacity in the jelly white because I'm not sure what the percentage is. And this is again FBS 01. Ooh, that color is really coming out now. Look at that. Can you see that? Could definitely see that color shift with the second coat. And this is FBS 02, and yeah, this is like a pinkish purple. And it's easier to see now that there's two coats on it. And it levels out very nicely, but it is kind of grainy, which is typical of your reflective polishes. And this is FBS 03. And this one's kind of cool. It's got like hints of green and red shift. It's like the reflective glitter actually shifts colors. And I don't know if you can see that, but hopefully you can. Now I got these cured, and we're going to go ahead and do VFS 04. And this is kind of like a light red, I think. A more subtle red. I don't know, it's got it like pink undertones to it. And this is definitely gold, y'all. Like a bronzy dark gold. I shouldn't say bronze, but like a darker goldish brown. And last but not least, FBS 06. And that's more of a darker red than the other one. But I'm going to go ahead and cook these, and I will go ahead and do a cure top coat with Born Pretty top coat off camera, so you don't have to sit and wait for me. And then I'll be back with the final results. They're all cured, and I want to show you a little something. So if you want to use a white underneath, it would be really, really pretty. And you can see that color shift a lot better that way. Or you can just use them as is. And this is what they look like if you have black underneath them. Also gorgeous. So let me get these together and I'll show you the final result. Okay, so this is what our colors are looking like. Absolutely gorgeous. And then y'all, the reflective, oh my goodness, it is absolutely stunning. I'm in love, y'all. Absolutely in love. These are so pretty. Okay, so this is the new Born Pretty Reflectives and the Milk Jelly White. So yes, go check them out, and I will be back in another video to do a design with these absolutely stunning. Do you see that color shift in these two? Wow. Almost like a peacock. But anyway, I'll be back in another video to do our design. And y'all, I cannot stop staring at these. Dude. Yeah, you gotta have these. Come on now. You know you want them. I'll put the link in the description box along with my discount code. Okay, and I want to point out, these three have holographic glitter in them too. So yes, 3, 4, and 5. And see you in the next one. Oop.